SINOMADA. Nice to meet you. Our SINOMADA is a professional machinery company in this field for almost 16 years. And today we are glad to have a chance to visit the biggest dealer of CAT in China.
And now I will show you the upgraded Excavator 313GC.
From digging to demolition, the 313GC adapts, switch between attachments effortlessly and tackle any job with confidence. CAT durability is legendary. The 313GC's reinforced design handles tough conditions, while easy maintenance access keeps downtime low. Designed for demanding tasks, the 313GC delivers reliable performance with a fuel-efficient CAT C3.6 engine and optimized hydraulics. Strong, simple, and built to last. Lower fuel consumption, fewer service intervals. The 313GC cuts costs without cutting corners. Engineered for your comfort, your control, and your success. Demand more from your equipment. Choose the Caterpillar 313GC. If you are interested in it and want to know more information, please contact me. I'm Icy from SINOMADA. Bye bye.